What on earth is this? For one thing, Butternut, Biden dropped out. It's Harris now. And we are a Trump supporting family. I'm sorry. We can't have this.
What, Mom?
Seriously? Kamala Harris? I already told Butternut that we are a Trump supporting family. Is it because we don't know what you are? Whether you're Siamese with a mixture of calico and there's some Sphinx in you or something? Is it because we don't know what she is either? Well, this is not a good thing. This is not a good fit for us. This is not good. You're making us look bad. I love you, but Trump all the way. Wow. I am so proud of you. Yes, I am. Oh, Jensen, and look. You're orange. Oh, I admire the commitment. Way to commit. Good boy.